Hey guys, it's Amanda at Firebranch Farm, and I have a pretty neat little thing I wanted to show you today, and that is how to start seeds using moist paper towels and baggies, so not just putting them in soil. And the reason I am doing this is because I have some old seeds that I found, and I don't really want to put them in soil and wait a long time and keep wondering if they're going to germinate. So I'm going to put them in a paper towel, and that way I will know exactly which seeds germinate and which don't. And the ones that do will then be transplanted into soil. So you just need a few things: paper towels, you need baggies, and just your seeds, and then a marker to label the baggies. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. I've just got a old cookie sheet, and I've got my water here. So, okay, so I found these old seeds, and these are all tomato seeds that I'm going to do today. So these are cherry tomatoes, and I found 4 different ones. So I am going to go ahead and do these in paper towels because these are back from 2017. So we'll see how well these germinate. So first thing I'm going to do is, so I got my baggie here, and I am going to label this baggie. What? I'm not even sure how to pronounce this one, but I'm going to put the date. Oops, there we go. That way I can kind of keep track. These should germinate within a week. The good ones should be starting to sprout. So, okay, so I got my baggie ready. Now, I've got paper towels that have small sheets, and I'm going to use 2 of those. I'm going to fold them again, and then I'm just going to dip it in the water so it's soaking wet. Squeeze it out good. There we go. See? No dripping. Then I want them to be, I'm going to do about this size, so just like folded once. And I will lay that down. Then dry your hands. Got my seeds. Okay, I've got quite a few seeds there. I am just going to place them like in a row of like 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'll have 6 total. And you can certainly do more than this. I'm going to see how this goes with just doing 6 or so. I have a few that have kind of fallen in there, and that's fine. No big deal. Okay. I probably did about 8 on that one. Put the extras back in. Now I'm just going to take this half and fold it over the other half. Pat it down. And then take your baggie. And just put it in there. Now with these, I don't really want to zip the whole way because I don't want any mold or anything to grow. So what I'll do is do about 1.5 inches or 1 inch on each side, but I'm leaving a little bit of an opening here, and that's just so air can kind of go in and out, but it's not going to be enough to dry it out. So there we go. I will update how these are doing in about a week, or if they germinate sooner, we'll look at them then. So thanks for hanging out with me today. See you next time.